So, guys, we all know there are three different types of communication. Like, there are three ways you can make communication in Go High Level, which is the SMS, the email, and the WhatsApp. Now, most people use the SMS and the email, but we have some people that also use the WhatsApp for communication, right? And this video is for those people that use the WhatsApp for communication because you need to know that, oh, why using the WhatsApp for communication? What are the things you need to take note of? What are the things that work? Because because also while setting up some client account, I noticed some things, and I just want to give you guys the shortcut so you guys don't have to like go through those things again. So firstly, while setting up the WhatsApp account, you need to know that WhatsApp do charge monthly for the WhatsApp, which is 10 USD per month. Yeah, so when you come to the all you have to do is come to the settings, then go to the settings, go to the sub account, then go to the settings, and then scroll down to WhatsApp. Can you see WhatsApp here? When you click on WhatsApp, then it's going to show you this page where if you want to activate and start using the WhatsApp for you know sending messages, then you have to purchase this. And after purchasing this gives you access to automations using WhatsApp, starting conversation using WhatsApp, right? So because we don't want to buy in this account, so I'm going to take you to an account where it's already purchased. Yeah, so in this account it's purchased already, and so when it's purchased, like, it doesn't show you the $10 again. Yeah, so it takes you to this next step, which is called templates, right? So we have templates here. Now, for templates, we have two type of templates, right? We have marketing template and utility template. So in this WhatsApp is different from the SMS. With SMS, you to a new lead, you can send a free form messages, which means you can just type a message and send to the lead. Now I'm going to give you an example. Uh in WhatsApp, right? Let's say I come to conversation, then I pick up a lead. So it's loading. So let's say we pick up a new lead. Okay, we don't have a new lead here. So let's say we have a new lead, because this is a client account. I would not want to create a new lead, but I'll basically explain how it works. So when you have a new lead on the WhatsApp, you cannot send a free form message to a new lead. So it has to start as a conversation starter. It needs to be a template. If you had once sending a message from the WhatsApp, if it's an SMS or an email, you can send any type of message. But when it comes to WhatsApp messages, you send uh only templates, right? So we have two types of templates. We have the utility templates and marketing templates. Now, for the utility templates, for the marketing templates, marketing templates has some restriction. Marketing templates has some restriction, because now while working, I'm going to give you a scenario which worked, which we went through, so you guys can like not go through that again. So we have this automation where when a new lead comes into the CRM, we receive an internal notification, right? But we notice that, oh, internal notification is not coming through. What can be going on? Like, and the automation is working perfectly fine. What can be going on? We are not receiving the notification from the WhatsApp. And if it's an SMS or email and everything is perfectly, like, the automation is working well, everything is firing, what's going on? And we have been having this issue for like a month. Then after like going through automation specialist, WhatsApp specialist, so we found out that we were using the marketing templates to send internal notifications to our team, right? Which was not giving us internal notification, because we're supposed to. The marketing template has this kind of rule that, let's say you send a WhatsApp message using that template and you did not get a reply, right, within 24 hours, then to send another message is going to be hard. Just around that, so it's a 24-hour WhatsApp rule, basically around WhatsApp, not the Go High Level, right? So it needs to. That's when you started using the utility templates. Then you can send as much template as possible. Since it's an utility template, all you have to do is, when you want to add a template, you come to the WhatsApp. So you come to the WhatsApp first, then you go to templates. Yeah, click on create template, blank template, and then write your template name, click, then category, you see utility and marketing. You pick utility. You can remove the heading and you can show the heading anyone you want. Sometimes, mostly I remove the heading. Then here is where you type your message. So after typing your message, you can add variables, just pick the custom tags and then save. So basically, I think that's all for the WhatsApp template. Basically, that's all for the WhatsApp template.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the GoHighLevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this how do you set up and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my GoHighLevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our GoHighLevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.